As a general manufacturer of hydraulic breakers in China, Dutang supplies high-end products and the best service to our clients. With high quality and competitive price, we hope to achieve win-win strategies with our cooperative partners all over the world. We mainly manufacture and sell attachments, like hydraulic breakers and spare parts. Dutang is an enterprise with a modern management mode, integrating the import, sale, maintenance, service, and information management. Our products are widely recognized and trusted by users. Now we are recruiting global business partners. Please contact us for more details. We think what you as a distributor are thinking. Come to be.